Yay! Today, I'm going to draw my artwork in front of my teacher and all my classmates. Wow, it's such a beautiful sunny morning. I wonder what Mom's cooking at home. Oh my God, that poor old lady. I have to help that old lady sell her newspapers. I know I can sell all these newspapers. I have to do it. Thank God, all the newspapers have been sold. Now I need to go find that old lady right away.